Welcome back to our channel TechTube everybody, where we post tech related videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can create yourself an account on Threads. Now Threads is a newly released app created by Meta. Now in order to use Threads, you need to have an Instagram account. You cannot create a separate Threads account. First, you need to have an Instagram account, and once you log in using your Instagram account, you can start using Threads, alright? So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys and hit that subscribe to our channel TechTube for future videos related with Threads. Now once you open Threads app just like this, in my screen it's showing me Abhinav Timla because I have logged in into my Instagram account. So I have currently logged in into my Abhinav Timla Instagram account. That's why it's showing me this. Now if you guys have logged in into your any other Instagram account, it's going to show that. Now if you want to create a Threads account using this Instagram account, then you can click on it. But if you want to use your any other Instagram account, you want to click on switch account, and at the bottom click on login into another Instagram account and enter your username, password, and log in into your Instagram account. Now once you log in into your Instagram account, it's going to show you just like this. As you guys can see, I wanted to create the Threads account using my Abhinav Timla, so it's showing me this. Now if you want to fill this profile yourself, you can do that. But if you want to transfer all of your info from your Instagram account, you can click on import from Instagram. Now once you click on import from Instagram, all of your profile bio from your Instagram will be pasted over here. Once you do that, click on next. Once you click on next, it's going to ask you whether you want to create a private account or a public account. So I want to create a private. I'm going to choose private and I'm going to click on next. After that, it's going to show me the list of people on my Instagram. So these people are the one who have created Threads. I don't want to follow anybody, so I'm going to click on next, which is at the top right corner, and it's going to show me how Thread works. And I don't want to know this, right? So you can just click on join Threads, and once you do that, it's going to load for some time and your Threads account should be created. That's how simple it is to create Threads account. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel TechTube. I'll see you guys next time.